Alrighty, hi guys, and welcome to the Moon in Leo reading. I hope you're all doing well and taking care of yourselves. I have linked the folder of the sun sign readings below if you haven't checked out your sun sign reading and would like to. Now, we know the full moon's in Scorpio. So let's see what's happening. We're having our transformations happen with that Scorpion energy. The star. I feel like the energy of the star in this card, like the star's like, come with me. Come with me, follow the light, come with me. And it's like in front of your nose. They're just dragging you along with it like that carrot, and you're just mesmerized by it. And you're not even seeing what's being knocked out and what's left, because right now you're following the light within the void, and this is going to definitely allow you to heal and literally have your new beginning. There is the Queen of Coins. So, Queen of Pentacles. I feel like this is you. Like you're going to ground your energy now. You're going to actually ground things. You're so used to acting that the star is leading you into a transformation of grounding the light. That firepower energy. And it's like, because you ground it instead of acting with it, it's the energy is going to run through you and it's going to activate. It's going to activate something for you. You're going to have more of an awareness of the light. You're going to have a raise in vibration, and it's definitely going to be heart-centered. It's such like the energies that created with this star. It softens you, it humbles you. And I can feel like it's like such a purity. It's very, very beautiful for us ever resonating with this message. Thank you for joining me. And there is the Eight of Wands. And here we're switching back to acting. And I feel like now that you are grounding your energy, you've healed, you're healing in the void, you're creating, you're grounding your light, creating more of your abundance. It's like something's going to come back to you, because the law of attraction is being used here to manifest abundance. So there will be something coming back to you. Something coming back to you for the work that you've done creating in the void, and it will be through the fog. I don't think you're going to be able to see it happening all the way, but it's nothing. It's supposed to be that way, because it's part of your process of how you're going to create through it. With the Knight of Cups. And there, I really feel like that's love. You're creating with love. I really feel like this is a direct message. Do not let your emotions cloud your light. Do not let your emotions cloud your light. And I really feel like, okay, the star is taking you out of your emotions and like leading you into healing, to creation in the void. And the message I'm getting from this card directly is, don't go back in it and block the light, because you want to stay stuck. Like I see even almost codependency in this card. Something is not right. And yeah, there's the Four of Coins of holding on. Don't hold on. Don't hold on. Follow the light. And allow this transformation to happen. Because when you do look, there's the Six of Cups, and there is the love that you are creating in the void. There, it's coming back to you. That's the Six of Cups. That's like love literally coming back to you, and true love, soulmate love, twin flame love, like love that you dream about when you're a small child. It restores something within you. And there's the completion. So just really don't hold on. Don't hold on to what the star or the light is showing you right now. All right. Let's see what's being hidden. What's being hidden now? Oh, that's too many. Well, we have the Mother of Pentacles, and that is the Queen of Coins right there, and the Ace of Pentacles. The Mother of Pentacles excels in the home. She knows exactly what to do while raising a family and tending to the tasks of daily life. There's a potential for her identity to become wrapped entirely around her children and home, which leaves her needy and attached. This is the cause of most of her turmoil. She often has qualities of a healer and is very connected to nature. And I really feel like that's a direct message as to why, you know, your energy being firepower, you're having a hard time maybe with the transformation and wanting to go back. Just remember though that the Ace of Pentacles is here and what we're doing, and we need to ground our energy. It's part of our evolutionary process. That's how we manifest. In the center of even the giant redwood trees, a tiny seedling once stood. Such is the energy of the Ace of Pentacles. It's the seed that takes root, grounding you for the future. You're in the beginning phases of a prosperous venture. Stay grounded, go outside, and take some time to appreciate nature. You may also find a windfall of wealth headed your way. And that's really it. Take some time to appreciate nature. That is even connecting you more to your abundance and the light, and you're calming your blood pressure. If you're having a hard time transforming. Okay. Kindness. My heart is a deep lake of loving kindness. I count myself fortunate to hold tenderness within my soul. I forgive myself, my fears, fatalities, and failures. I am compassionate towards myself in times of turbulence and change. And that's all you need to remember right now. Show yourself kindness during this time of transformation and change. Thank you for joining me here. I'll see you again soon. Take care.